Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Once again, we don come with breaking news, we don come with updates wey I wan share give the general public. And the cocoa be say Mr. Peter Obi wey be the presidential candidate for the Labour Party for inside the 2023 elections on Thursday wey be the 13th day of March for inside this year 2025. Don come outside the yarn say the administration of President Bala Tinubu don do well don try well and Mr. Peter Obi dey yarn this one during the meeting wey im get with the Bauchi state governor wey be Bala. And during this meeting, my good people, the Labour Party chieftain Mr. Peter Obi im talk plenty, no be small. He say our President Bola Tinubu and the All Progressive Congress they don deliver on their promises wey dem give the general public. As a matter of fact, those men no dey ever cease to amaze. They always come through for the general public, and now they don't come through on their promises. Mr. Peter Obi now dey yarn dey give the general public say make they no forget the promises wey our President Bola Tinubu yarn during his campaign. And that promises be say im go continue from where the former president of this our nation Nigeria wey be Muhammadu Buhari, im say im go continue from where im stop. And now the government of the All Progressive Congress under the present regime led by our President Bola Tinubu, he don't do well because he don't continue from where Buhari stop. As im take talk, if we touchlight everything now they play out for inside we nation Nigeria, we go observe say where our former president Muhammadu Buhari stop, the exchange rate na 400 naira to $1, but now $1 don turn to 1,600. Bag of rice wey men be dey buy for 30,000 naira, now e don turn 100,000 naira. Beans wey men be dey buy for 40,000 naira, but now e don turn 100,000 naira too. Now if we continue to dey go on and on about how good this administration don be, how well wey they don keep to their promises, as everything now don double price, most times sef even triple. Fuel wey men be dey buy for 200 naira before, e don turn 1,000 naira. So yes, in the talk and say this government they have done well. They don't keep to their promises, into true continue from where the former president Muhammadu Buhari stop. All these levels, my good people, they come from the mouth of the presidential candidates for the Labour Party for inside the 2023 elections, and that's now the one and only Mr. Peter Obi, the founder of Obedient Movement. Now, anyhow, this matter be you for body. If you be say the levels where Mr. Peter Obi talk, you agree to them, or if you be say you get your own contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. Meanwhile, Governor Bala of Bauchi State don declare his willingness to join forces with the Labour Party presidential candidate for the 2023 election, and that now Mr. Peter Obi. He now want join forces to give more bites to the opposition politics for inside this our green white green country, maybe Nigeria. He now dey collaborate with the Labour Party presidential candidate to be Mr. Peter Obi, so that last the opposition parties go come dey oppose for inside we nation Nigeria. And Oga Bala he na tight man for inside the People's Democratic Party. He na sitting governor and he still be the chairman of the People's Democratic Party, their governors forum. And in the yarn all this level, so after the private meeting where he gets with Mr. Peter Obi for the government house for inside Bauchi State on Thursday, maybe the 13th day of March for inside this year, maybe 2025. And the governor Bala comes to the yarn, say him and his party they respect the former presidential candidate, their political approach, and they share his vision for the nation. The governor constantly describe the former Anambra State governor as man will be say he gets clear head about bringing good governance come with nation Nigeria, and in mind through day to impact the people of we nation Nigeria and to unite this our nation. He know they come for wahala, he know they come for trouble, he they come for peace, he they come for growth, and he they come for prosperity. According to how the talk they come aside from the mouth of Governor Bala of Bauchi State, he say he gets lots of respect and admiration for Mr. Peter Obi because of the man's style of politics, and because of the man's statesmanship and his versatile nation and his deep knowledge of the economy and governance. That is things we in the admire for Mr. Peter Obi, he pass one. And he said Mr. Peter Obi gets clear vision of where politics and politicians supposed to be in terms of bringing good governance, in terms of impacting the people of Nigeria. and uniting the country. And it's always a delight to dey lis ten to Mr. Peter Obi because of his deep knowledge and mastery of statistics. All these levels, my good people, na wetin Governor Bala Mohammed dey yarn about Mr. Peter Obi, and he now come dey declare say like this now Mr. Peter Obi don become Nigeria's new face of opposition politics. The kind praises wey give Mr. Peter Obi plenty, no be small. He say the Labour Party chieftain now don do well for South Edition Nigeria. He don make sure say men true hear im voice, and he wey be Bala Mohammed is very much ready to work alongside Mr. Peter Obi, because last need dey for men to come together for the sake of good governance and vibrant opposition equipped with vision and strategy to save this our green country from the hands of the All Progressive Congress. And this development, so all these levels, they come at a time wey be say talks dey ground of a possible coalition of opposition parties. Like this now, different parties wan come together. They wan make sure say no be our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu go last win the elections wey go sup for inside the year 2027. And on top this very particular matter, so Mr. Peter Obi sef of the Labour Party bin don still talk am say time don reach for all hands to be on deck to rescue this our green country from the government of the All Progressive Congress. And he na come dey yarn say e go good make men plaster am for the back of their mind say the reason why they dey come together no be say na anything, no be for personal reasons. They are not coming together for their own benefit. No, they are coming together for the future and the betterment of this our society. And they need to start ASAP because they don't too waste time for the matter. Now about this coalition now wey men they want arrange. Since Bala Mohammed of the People's Democratic Party don't come board, Mr. Peter Obi sef don come board. And if last the APC chieftain wey come last cross carpet go the Social Democratic Party, and I'm talking about Malam Nazir El-Rufai. If e be say last in come board, that be say the coalition don't get enough forces, they don't get better manpower to oppose the All Progressive Congress for the 2027 general elections wey go play out for inside this our nation, Nigeria. As of the time why they summary this report, so my good people, the ruling All Progressive Congress never talk anything concerning the matter. But anyhow the matter fit play out, be rest assured say Anointed Lady TV go pass the informate give the general public. But however, my good people, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give on a legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside this our nation, Nigeria. So if you be say you like this informate and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so that as we bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And I beg, try make you dey share the news, give your family and friends, make them too know wetin dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. May they come back again with more legit for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.